Toastmaster Satya from Chatterbox to Champion. Toastmaster Satya from Chatterbox to Champion. The stage is yours.
Have you ever come across a person or a classmate who can turn even the quietest library into a lively debate? We all had such friends. So, meet your former classmate, the chatterbox, it's me. Before I take you through the journey of my life, let me introduce my family to you. My paternal family. It's a family of 5. My father, my mother, my elder brother, me, and my sister. My father, he is my inspiration. The reason being, he came from a very small village in Madurai with no much facilities, but still, he went on to become the first graduate in his village. And then he started to work in the Indian Express. Yes, the Indian Express when he was only 19 with a stipend of 90 rupees per month. Later, he became the computer operator in the 90s where even I don't know what a computer was. So he is my inspiration. Even though he earned very less, he gave us a very good life. So he is my inspiration. My mother, a simple housewife, but I would say the extraordinary ability she had to manage the finance of the household, it's commendable. She is my inspiration when I'm managing my household expenses today. My brother and my sister, we 3 siblings, we were those musketeers, very mischievous. We did all the good and bad things together. Let it be troubling the neighbor or going to school together, we had our own good and bad days. We grew up and we grew apart. Now we meet once in a while. And my brother is no more with us. We just lost him in an accident last year. He is no more. But my sister is there. She is in Coimbatore, married and settled. So that's a small anecdote of my family. So now let's talk about the protagonist, which is me. Good evening, my dear fellow Toastmasters and my dear guest. So let me take you through the journey how I elevated from a chatterbox to a champion. Okay. Imagine this along with me. A child who's so talkative that the teacher has to shift her place every single day, not a week, every single day, with the only small hope that in some corner of the class she's going to stay quiet. Do you think that happened? She succeeded? Never. She never succeeded. That child was me. Growing up, talking was like a liability to me. My teachers were always troubled. Whenever my father came to the class, my teacher would be like, "Sir, your daughter is very talkative. I know she studies well, but she distracts everybody." For which, you all are expecting an answer from my father? No way. Till today, he doesn't have answer for this question. He's still searching it, I believe. So, nobody could stop me from talking. Growing up, I really realized that speaking was not just a habit for me, that was my superpower. This superpower came to limelight when I started participating in different competitions when I went to my college. In my college days, I took the challenge of participating in each and every seminars, competitions, everything which came along my way. I thought I'll bring the certificates, but we didn't bring the car. So many. So I couldn't bring it. So we came in a two-wheeler. Next time I would like to definitely show that to you all. So that was something which made me realize, Satya, you are a born speaker. You are born to be spoken. People like to listen to you and you like to talk. So that is when I realized that I am going to choose a career which is going to enable me to talk and talk. Not only talk and to listen to people as well. I would like to recollect one such incident where I was participating in a debate and I forgot that I have surpassed the time of 5 minutes. My dear timer friend, today I will not do that. So, this is how my journey started. Not only in my school, not in my college, even in my career. Yes, in my career. Not my college studies, not my school studies. My speaking skills, my communication skills only helped me in my career as well. I started as a HR, which everybody know you have to talk, and then I continued to be a soft skill trainer. Now, as a project manager, my ability to articulate my ideas in the meeting, to connect with people, to resolve conflicts only by understanding people and their needs helped me to grow in my career as well. Whether it can be a resolution of a problem or by making a person smile with a well-timed joke, I have channelized my energy of talking into something very meaningful. Not only in my job, outside my job, in my hobbies also, my communication skills has helped me a lot. I like to conduct game nights. I like to connect with people. I have understood that talking can help me forge into deeper and deeper connection as well. I realize that listening, yes, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, listening is very, very important. Even a speaker can listen as well. The meaningful conversation are that conversation in which you don't even talk, you always listen to the opposite person as well. That is how the communication becomes very useful. So here I am standing in front of you, joining the Toastmasters, embracing the same energy which got me into trouble as a child, and to elevate myself as a public speaker and to level up to that level where I can talk with purpose, connect with people, and who knows, along the way, I may inspire one or two. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day. Now you tell me what is your strength or weakness which had led you to this level. Thank you.